Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you the most important task in spring that I do in my garden. I like to clean the yard first, and now I'm preparing the container to plant some seeds. In my containers, I always add dried leaves in the bottom, and it will just decompose and will serve as a nutrients for my plants. Now I'm adding soil from my garden, and this soil is very healthy and rich of nutrients as I compost in here all year round. You can save money doing your own compost, and the result is amazing. So these are my strawberry beds. So what I'm gonna do right now is add compost to it. So this is the pure compost from the garden, and there is a lot of worms in it, lots of nutrients. So we're just gonna add more compost on it. There you go. Alright, more right here. See, the strawberry is already growing. You see that? See, they're already growing out. So we're just adding nice compost to them. Here, I'll show you. Man, look at the worm right there. See? It's so pretty for my plants to have this nice compost. There you go. In this area, I have some onion chives. They come back year after year, but today I decided to move them in both of the corner of the bed. Oh, that's a big one. There you go. As you can see, they're already growing. Now it's time to plant some early green onions. Early green onions is one of the favorite in our garden. We like to add it in our soup, in our omelette, so I don't mind planting a lot. Next, I have some assorted onions, which I have a yellow, white and red onions. Yeah, this is one of my favorites as well here in the garden. We use this a lot as well for cooking, and we love the flavor when we make some burgers and slice some on it. And it's just the taste is different when it's fresh from the garden. Now I'm planting some red radish, and I don't mind if I put too much seeds, and later on I'll just thin them when they grow. In the remaining containers, I am going to plant some salad greens, kale. Actually, I have three types of kale, which is the red Russian kale, the lacinato kale, and the curl leaves kale. And then I am going to add as well some snow peas. My husband loves snow peas a lot. He likes to snack on it. So these containers are really, really helpful for us to place it anywhere near the garden. Now, let's talk about the front yard garden. I am going to rake the grass and clean it up a bit. And then after that, I am going to sow some grass seeds. And then I make sure that I add some soil on it, or I mean topsoil, so that the grass will grow nicely and evenly. I make sure that I water the grass every day and keep the soil moist so that the seeds will germinate quickly. The last but not the least is to clean up my mess. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now!